Hi, this course Parts of Speech Made Simple by Dr. Victor G. Teves is a series of videos discussing the different parts of speech. In this video, we will discuss pronouns.
A pronoun is a word that is used to designate a person, place, thing, quality, or idea without naming it. In other words, a pronoun is a substitute for a noun. The word for which the pronoun stands for is called the antecedent. A pronoun must agree with its antecedent in person, number, and gender. The different kinds of pronouns are as follows: personal pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, intensive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns.
Personal pronouns. Pronouns in the first person refer to the person speaking. I, we, me, us. Pronouns in the second person refer to the person you are speaking to. You. Pronouns in the third person refer to the person being spoken of. He, she, they, him, her, them. Relative pronouns are used to introduce a group of words that modify a noun or a pronoun. Example: the student who won the prize is from our school.
Compound relative pronouns are formed by adding ever, or, soever, to who, whom, whose, which, and what. For example, we will admit whoever comes. We will admit whomever we know. Whatever clothes you wear speaks of your personality. Whichever action you may take needs careful planning. Do not confuse interrogative pronouns with relative pronouns. Take note that interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions, while relative pronouns are used to introduce clauses that modify nouns or pronouns. The following are interrogative pronouns: who, whom, whose, which, and what. Examples: who donated the new books? In this example, the word who is used as an interrogative pronoun. Another example: the person who donated the books is a philanthropist. The word who is used as a relative pronoun. What did you get last Christmas? The word what is used as an interrogative pronoun. Are you happy with what you got last Christmas? The word what is used as a relative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out a specific person, place, thing, or idea. The following are demonstrative pronouns: singular, this, that; plural, these, those. Uses of demonstrative pronouns. It is an adjective if it is followed by a noun that it limits. It is a pronoun when it takes the place of a noun, or it points out something that it does not name. For example, this book deals with magic. This is an interesting book. That bus is late again. That came from the airport. These students came late. These are the latecomers. Those flowers are very expensive. Those are imported from Holland.
Indefinite pronouns point out persons, places, things, or ideas less definitely, or less clearly. Examples: another, anybody, anyone. Both, few, many. All, some, plenty.
Uses of indefinite pronouns. It is an adjective if it is followed by a noun that it limits. It is a pronoun when it takes the place of a noun, or it points out something that it does not name. For example, each person has a right to live decently. Each has a right to live decently. Some people believe in a horoscope. Some do believe in horoscopes. I will take both colors. I will take both. All of the teachers are busy. All are busy. Reciprocal pronouns are the indefinite pronouns, each other, and one another. They are regarded as compound pronouns designating related persons or things. They are expressions of mutual relationship and are used only as objects of verbs or prepositions. There is no real distinction in sense between each other and one another. However, in formal usage, some writers use each other to refer to only two, one another for more than two. Intensive pronouns are compound personal pronouns that are used to emphasize the noun or pronoun to which they refer. Examples: I myself will clean my room. We ourselves will do the project. The girls made the costumes themselves.
Reflexive pronouns. Like intensive pronouns, reflexive pronouns are also compound personal pronouns. However, they are used differently. It is used as the object of the transitive verb. For example, the child hurt himself while playing. Why do you have to punish yourself when you can make your job easier? To show her indignation against her husband, the woman killed herself. It is used as the object of a preposition that refers to the direct object. The scout leader left the boys to themselves. As an adult, you have to learn how to decide for yourself.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of new lessons. Click the subscribe button now. Want to help me create more free courses? How about buying me a cup of coffee on Ko-Fi? Scan the QR code to visit my Ko-Fi page.